Getting started with T-SQL in Azure Data Studio. Select from, where, group by, order by. By the end of this video, you will be able to get started with basic querying in Azure Data Studio, and will learn how to write simple T-SQL queries using select from, where, group by, and order by statements. Prerequisites for writing T-SQL queries in Azure Data Studio include having it downloaded on your machine, being connected to the Cisco Admin VPN, and being connected to an Azure SQL database such as Rosie Replica, which is a near real-time, read-only copy of the Rosie production data. To query a SQL Server database, you will need to use the T-SQL programming language, which is also known as Transact Structured Query Language. T-SQL is similar to SQL and is used primarily for Microsoft SQL Server. Microsoft Azure Data Studio uses T-SQL commands, and in this video we will cover some of those commands. So to retrieve data from a table within a database in Azure Data Studio, you would start with the select from statement, which outlines which columns we want to see and from which table we are pulling the columns from. Then, use a where clause to filter records with conditions. And then group by or order by can be added after and essentially help allow you to order columns by keywords such as ascending or descending. For instance, DESC is short for descending, and it sorts results from maximum values to minimum. Or you could leave it blank, which will be defaulted to ascending, so sorting from minimum to maximum. Let's look at a simple example. This example shows how to retrieve the columns province, English description, start and end session code from the Rosie Replica table sysprovince. So we're going to select province, English description, start session and end session from sysprovince. If we run the query, we can see all of the rows from the table. Let's say we want to add a filter condition of the start session code being 19711. Running it will show only the rows that meet this condition. You will notice that the table is already in ascending order of the province. To make this descending, we can add in an order by clause. Finally, to review a summary of rows, we add in a group by statement. These clauses are often used with aggregate functions such as count, sum, and average. This is an example to view the distinct values for the start session code. That's it. You can now write simple T-SQL queries using select from, where, group by, and order by commands. Next, we will explore how to use join commands to retrieve data from multiple tables. To learn how to do this, check out the Power BI toolbox.